You guys are just too fucking good. We had to do one more. Couldn't just go like that. Alright, you ready? Time passes by, direction unknown. You'll never know, but you're not alone. Before you know it, your cup's overflow. You measure no one that I've ever known, and it's quite alright. And goodbye for now. Just look up to the stars and believe who you are, 'cause it's quite alright. And so long, goodbye.
Derek! We love you, Derek!
We always knew that it'd come to this. It's times like these I know that we'll miss. Matters of heart are hard to address, especially when you all here look just like this. And it's quite alright. And goodbye for now. Just look up to the skies and remember this night, 'cause it's quite alright. And so long, goodbye, bye, bye, and so long and goodbye, bye, bye, and so long and goodbye. Dave, Cone, Zuma, come back out here. Come and say goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you all for everything. Thank you for being here tonight. Thank you for being with us through all the fucking ups and downs. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for sticking it out all the fucking years with us. Thank you for supporting us, buying the records, coming to the shows, being fans of this band. You mean so fucking much to us. I can't say it enough from the heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now one last time, let's pick this up. Let's pick this up one more time. Let's make it fast. Zumo, let's get this going. One last time, ready? That's right.